All right, let's cook our turkey bacon. The oil is already hot. Perfect. Let's cook this till it's fully cooked. Turkey bacon. All right, guys, here you have it. Look at that, ready to go. This is what we want. Let's just take this, put it aside. All right, put this aside. Oh, that smells delicious. That smoked turkey bacon. Yes, indeed. Using the same pan, we're going to saute our onions. All right, our garlic. Fresh garlic. Oh boy, that's what you want. Add your chicken cube. Let that blend in nicely and break down. I'm going to mash it a little bit. Now, let's add our rice. That's right. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! All right, let's add our potatoes. Our cabbage. Oh wow, this is fantastic. All right, now we're gonna add our turkey bacon, the one we put on the side. Oh yeah, okay. Get that together. Smelling delicious, guys. Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna add our water. Our soy sauce. Chili powder, and then we're going to cover it and let the rice fully cook. All right, we're going to cover this nicely and let it cook at a low fire until the rice is fully cooked. I'd say about 8 to 10 minutes. All right, be right back. All right, this is exactly what you want. Perfect. Let's add our green peas to this. Just let them go right on top nicely. We're going to cover it and let it sit 2 to 3 minutes. Hey guys, this is it. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is a one-pot meal, everyone. Here you have it, guys. One-pot meal. This is what I'm talking about. Everything is here. One time. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe and like for more delicious videos like this. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.